candy cane chocolate cherry pepper. Sweet pepper. How cool is that? I saved the seeds. I'll be growing these again next year. Very cool. Very, very cool bell pepper. I like these. And then we got these. Orange lunchbox. Sweet cherry peppers as well. And then we got purple bell peppers. Nice and heavy. Oh. Damn. I hate to see that. Could just cut it around this and take that off. It didn't go anywhere else. Just in the subsurface. So this will get cut out. Still use it. Still going to be in the food that I eat. No issues. These are growing well. I like these. They are very, very sweet. I do like the taste, especially when they're dried. I can't wait to see what this is going to taste like, though, fully matured, because I only got the one. We got a couple little ones over here hiding. I see you. Look at that little one right there. Another little one right there. Let's grow, baby. Let's grow.